Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, Air Sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, Air Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Libra. Justice with Six of Pentacles. I think you are trying to stand by your power. And Libra, it's your reading and it's your card. And someone is coming back for second chances. For some, you are decided to cut off this person from your life because there is no equal give and take. For someone is returning to offer equal give and take and they want second chances with you. But it's up to you totally. The decision is in your hands, Libra. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Wands, the Hangman and Page of Pentacles. I think you are confused in past. You are in little confusion, and there was a message received by you from your person and in past, and there was passion between both of you, but you feeling stuck. There are some disturbances between you and your person. Then present, Nine of Swords, the Sun with Five of Wands. So for some, it could be third party situation involved and there is a lot of drama going between you and your person and you are getting a lot of thoughts. Nine of Swords energy, you are getting depression, not feeling well. Especially when you are alone, you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. You are trying to forget that pain or forget that person, to move on from that person because the Sun card, you are trying to be happy. At least you are trying. But there are a lot of disturbances, lot of drama is going. Then future, Queen of Wands, High Priestess and Three of Cups. Definitely for some there is third party situation involved. And Queen of Wands, finally you stand by your power. Queen of Wands energy. And the High Priestess, you started listening to your intuition, trusting your higher self. And Three of Cups energy. Yeah, in near future in your life, there is celebration is coming. Maybe you are getting success in your career, especially in your career, but in near future you will stand by your power. Queen of Wands energy, and it is very, very powerful. And High Priestess, you are listening to your intuition, you are trusting your intuition. For some, you are like that you are spiritually connected with each other even though you are separated with your person. Yes, in relationship there are some problems, but in near future you will overcome all this energy and you will stand by your power no matter what. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So your person feelings. Your person feelings, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Six of Swords. Yes, they want to fix the things between both of you, but Seven of Swords with Two of Pentacles. Maybe your person sneaky. Yes, there are some trust issues between you and your person. They're juggling. Maybe they have options. Maybe for some your person is career oriented. So Seven of Swords energy, maybe they lied to you, cheated on you, for some third party situation involved. Definitely there is something sneaky in this connection. But this time your person, now they are juggling, but they are getting clarity. They will, because 8 of Pentacles with 6 of Swords, definitely they want to work on this relationship. They are getting clarity, and for some, your person want to communicate with you to fix the things between both of you. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, the person involved in this connection could be. So let's see their intentions. Libra. King of Cups, the Sun. Wow, the Sun card came in this reading twice, and King of Cups, the Sun with Temperance. Knight of Swords. Yes, they're rushing to communicate with you. Definitely, they want to express their feelings to you. And King of Cups, yes, they love you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. And the Sun, they are realizing that you are their happiness. And the 8 of Pentacles with the Sun card, now they are ready to work on this relationship. But they are in very slow moving energy because Temperance again. Patience. They are patiently waiting maybe for the right time. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Sagittarius, fire sign. And Knight of Swords, definitely they are rushing in to talk with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. For some, you both could be twin flames. Chariot. Yes, they are going to be make action very soon, but again they are in slow moving energy. Maybe your person have ego problem for some. That's why they are patiently waiting for right time. Maybe they're making it late because they have ego for some. But the person involved in this connection could be Cancer also. But they are going to be make action. But slow moving energy, and they want this happiness with you, celebration with you. 4 of Wands energy. Yes, and this person is very romantic. They have romantic feelings towards you. And 3 of Swords, you are heartbroken. And Ace of Cups, maybe you started loving yourself more than anyone else. For some, you still wanting this person in your life. You still love this person a lot. Yes, you love this person. That's why you feel heartbroken without this person if you are in separation. But they are coming back. Again, this person have so many feelings for you. This person is romantic. Yeah, they're coming back. Again, but trust issues, because they are player type energy. For some, they are come and go. There is no constant consistency in this relationship because 3 of Pentacles with 7 of Swords. I think there are trust issues between both of you. I think you are not trusting them. One person is not trusting other person in this connection, but they are coming back for reconciliation. It's up to you to accept or reject this person, Libra. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Step out of your comfort zone. Prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. So if you want to achieve anything, step out of your comfort zone and prosperity lies ahead. Definitely there is abundance is coming in your way. So let's see some messages from your person and Libra. Lot of abundance is coming. Wow, your money is looking very good. I want to be with you forever. Holding back. and I'm not feeling good enough for you. For some, your person may be holding back because they are not feeling good enough for you. For some, they want to be with you forever, and lot of abundance is coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.